Well, good morning. Happy February. Just a quick video on how to get started on this shaft support, which is on page 348, your book, number 1. We're going to title it Chapter 10. Tomorrow we'll do this. Today we're working on this. So now this is what's called a section view. We're going to learn how to do this week. But see this little line here? That's called the cutting plane line. If you cut this away, if you cut that, you get rid of the right hand side of this. Arrows mean you're looking at it that's your line of sight in the direction of the arrow. Then if you're looking in there, you're going to see material here, which is this. Everywhere where there's slanted lines, that means you're cutting through something solid. This here, there's no, that means it's not solid. That's the hole. There's air there on this cutting plane line. So this is defining the object if you cut it in half and look at it. And often there's things in the middle that you can see that are hidden from sight that you can share in here. Now, the beautiful thing about this is we've learned to use the Revolve command, and that's how we're going to do this. If you don't, there's other ways to do it, but if you do it, I won't give you credit if you don't use Revolve. So basically, the nice thing about it gives us our sketch. This is our sketch right here. Right here. We don't worry about the holes till after we revolve it. And then we put a construction line here, and we revolve it, and it's going to give this. It'll have the hole because there's space between the revolve line and the first edge of the object. So this distance here is going to define this hole right here. Then we'll put one hole in here and do our circular pattern to get the other holes. So since when you draw this, you're only drawing half of it, you have to cut all these diameters in two. These you don't cut in half because they're right to left, but any up and down measurement has to be cut in half because we'll double it when we revolve it. So we're learning how to put our parts into folders. So here's my shaft support folder, and sketch 4 is the first one. So you can see I did it in the right plane, not the wrong plane, the right plane. And I'm going to look straight at it, right click, view normal. So there's the shape. Boom, 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 boom. I just dimension it. So this was diameter was 4 for the hole, so this was 2. All these dimensions are the same. 8 and 3 is half of 16 and 6. Make this a construction line, and then do your revolve command. Then you have to well, first I made my let's get out of here. Escape. Okay, so then sketch 5 was my hole. So you had to put in a there's a name for this circle, I forget. But anyway, it's where the centers of all the circles are. And it's a construction line, so we turn it to a construction line. And then it doesn't matter whether you do the one on top or which side. You have to put one of these in. So you have to draw a line out to know where it. So again, I just drew it straight out to the right. Boom. And where it intersects, that's where you draw your circle. Or you could just you can get out of this sketch now and use your hole tool. Do either way in this case. But you would have a point, make a circle, and then you do your circular pattern. So I will be looking for circular pattern and revolve in your history tree in order to give you credit. And then, like I said, tomorrow we'll do this. Okay, have fun.